Hi there, I'm Erica Lawrence, a naturopath based in Dunsborough, Western Australia, and the founder of a gluten-free meal planning service called Easy Healthy Eats, which takes the stress out of healthy eating. So how does this help you at no cost? Well, by recommending this to any of your clients that are struggling on their healthcare journey, you're showing that you care. You're also giving them an action plan to reach their goals. So we have an archive of over 500 recipes, no cooking experience required. They're all whole food, evidence-based, and are guaranteed to help set the foundation for a long-lasting, healthy future. Our users have been loving the service, which is just such great feedback, but I wanted to share it with you so that you can help your clients as well. We've got a free 30-day trial, no credit card required, after which it's $10 a month. It is an online service. It's accessible to everybody. You may know that an individualized meal plan can cost hundreds of dollars, which means it's not really accessible. It kind of makes healthy food elitist in a way. This is all about educating for the long run, telling people why these foods are healthy and that healthy food can be delicious. So I'd love to share this with you, whether you need some brochures or business cards that you can hand out easily to your clients. You name it, I'm more than happy to provide that. So hit reply to this email or give me a call, and I'd love to see how we can work together to benefit your clients, your practice, and overall our healthcare system. Have a great day. See you later.